As a dental hygienist and a mom of 2 kids, I have a 5-year-old and a 1-year-old, I spend a lot of time thinking about children's oral health. And honestly, one of the biggest challenges isn't getting kids to brush their teeth. It's getting kids to brush their teeth well. You know the drill. They usually brush their front teeth for 10 seconds and call it a day. And the thing is, they genuinely think that they did a good job. But from a dental perspective, that's where the problem starts. One of the biggest misconceptions parents have is, my child brushes every day, why do they still get cavities? And the answer usually isn't whether or not the child is brushing their teeth, it's how they're brushing their teeth. Clinically, I see the same pattern over and over again. Kids are often just brushing their front teeth, they miss the back molars, skip the gum line entirely, rush through the process, and stop before the 2-minute mark. And unfortunately, all those missed areas are where cavities love to develop. So the challenge isn't that kids don't want healthy teeth. It's that they don't always know where to brush, how to brush, or whether they're even doing it correctly. And that's where I think technology can really help. Recently, my kids started using the Usmile Q30 Kids Smart Electric Toothbrush. The company describes it as the kid's personal brushing coach. And as a hygienist, that immediately caught my attention. Because honestly, most children's toothbrushes focus on cleaning their teeth. This one focuses on teaching the kids how to brush, and that is a completely different goal. The Usmile Q30 acts like a personal brushing coach because it uses bone conducting technology to recognize the areas that your kid missed while brushing and provide real-time guidance that your child can hear, which is so helpful because, again, one of the main challenges parents face isn't getting their kids to brush their teeth necessarily, it's teaching their kids how to brush independently and correctly. Now, there are a lot of children's electric toothbrushes on the market. Many of them do a great job providing vibration and helping clean off the plaque. But that's the difference between most brushes and the Q30. Most brushes focus on the brushing motion. The Q30 focuses on brushing behavior. So as sort of a side-by-side comparison, other electric toothbrushes usually feature some sort of vibration, sometimes a timer, and some sort of fun design to keep the kids entertained. The Q30 has real-time voice coaching, it detects brushing location, has a 6-zone guidance map, gives missed spot reminders, includes a parent tracking app, and even has interactive character voices as sort of the cherry on top. So as a hygienist, again, the main feature that caught my attention was the real-time coaching feature. Because good oral health starts with good oral hygiene habits, starting with brushing. So the first thing my 5-year-old noticed was, of course, not the cool technology that I love. It was the really fun design and the stickers and the cool character voices. So the toothbrush comes with 4 different character voices, and you can choose between them just by giving the brush a little shake.
This is Captain Smile reporting for duty. Initiate brushing protocol.
So if you look at the cute little display screen, it looks like a little space character. And there's a ring of light around there, so it turns all white when you've brushed all your teeth. It also shows little red spots. I don't know if you can see a little bit of red on the one corner there for areas that you've missed. And in general, when you just pick up the toothbrush and it kind of wakes up, it has this really pretty little rainbow ring around it. The brush also comes with 2 brush heads and a charging cable. Now, as a hygienist, one of the first things I pay attention to when looking at a toothbrush, whether electric or manual, is the brush head design. And I was pleasantly surprised with the bristles of this Usmile. If you guys can see the bristles, they're really soft and thin, which is exactly what I want to see in kids' toothbrushes, and honestly, even in adult toothbrushes as well, because the soft, thin bristles get under the gums really well while staying gentle. So overall, both myself and my kids are really enjoying this brush. So this was honestly my favorite part. Instead of me constantly saying, oh, you missed a spot there, or don't forget the top or the insides, or brush the back teeth, the toothbrush became the coach.
Now, target the bottom right.
Based on the area that he was brushing. So it guided him through each section one step at a time.
Mission complete, brushing hero. I'm proud of you. See you next time.
So it wasn't mom giving instructions, it was the toothbrush helping him brush his teeth. And not surprisingly, of course, he listened to the toothbrush better than he listens to mom. So for the first time, I actually watched him independently brush his teeth methodically instead of randomly. And that's exactly what we want to teach our kids. So from a dental hygiene perspective, this is the part that matters most. The voice guidance isn't just a fun feature. It's actually helping children to develop proper brushing behavior. So think about how children learn. or how anyone learns. They learn through repetition, through feedback, and through coaching. See, the thing is, if a child brushes their teeth the same way, missing the same spots every day, that's the habit that they're gonna form. But if they're consistently guided to properly brush their teeth, that becomes the habit instead. Again, that is why I find the coaching feature so useful. It doesn't just clean teeth, it teaches a process. And eventually the goal is for the children to internalize that process and develop healthy brushing habits for life. As a hygienist, I love seeing tools that encourage good brushing, but as a mom, I appreciate anything that can help make my job easier. And that's one of the biggest differences I noticed with this brush. So the brushing routine felt less like a battle. I spent less time coaching. The missed spot reminders were also very helpful because they encouraged my kiddo to go back and finish those areas that he missed. And my child was more engaged during the whole process. And then of course afterward, I could review the brushing data in the app if I wanted additional insight. Anyway, if there is one thing that I learned from both parenting and dentistry, it's this. Children don't need perfect brushing routines. They need consistent brushing routines. And consistently comes from building habits, not from constant reminders. Those seem to just go right over my kids' heads sometimes. Not from constant supervision. I swear I could bore holes with my eyes through my child, but that will not make him clean his room or brush his teeth better. It comes from learning the right behaviors over time. And that's why, again, I think the coaching aspect of the Usmile Q30 is so amazing. It helps guide my kids through the brushing process and encourages them to be independent at the same time, which, who am I kidding? They don't need encouragement. They want to be independent. Anyway, if you're curious about this brush and you want to try it out for yourself, I'll have all the details in the description below. And they are currently running a Prime Day promotion of 50% off. You can use my code Christina50 to snag that discount. In the meantime, I'd love to hear from you guys. What is the biggest challenge you have faced while getting your kids to brush their teeth? Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.